Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dash cam. The VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dash cam front and rear is a premium dual-channel dash camera designed to capture ultra-clear footage with a 4K front camera at 60 frames per second and a 2K rear camera at 30 frames per second, featuring advanced dual Starvis 2 sensors, IMX678 front, IMX675 rear, for exceptional low-light performance and reduced motion blur. It supports app control via next-gen Wi-Fi 6, allowing rapid sharing, previewing, and downloading of videos, and can accommodate up to 512 GB microSD cards or 4 TB SSDs for extended recording. The dash cam includes a range of accessories, such as a CPL filter, GPS module, rear cable, and mounting tools, and offers impact detection power-saving parking mode to monitor your car while minimizing battery drain. Its 2.4-inch screen, CMOS sensors, and 2.8mm coaxial cables enable simple, interference-free installation, while dual-channel HDR ensures accurate license plate capture in bright and dark conditions. With features like built-in GPS, voice control, and support for large storage, the VIOFO A329S is ideal for capturing detailed, high-quality footage on long drives or in busy urban environments. Number 2. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam Front. The Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam is a compact yet powerful front-facing car camera designed to capture journeys in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second using a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and a 158 degrees wide-angle lens, making it ideal for recording license plates, road signs, and pedestrians. Featuring PlatePix HDR technology, an f1.87 glass lens, and Starvis 2 night vision, it reduces motion blur and enhances license plate recognition, even at night or at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The dash cam includes built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS for fast video transfer and precise location tracking, voice control for hands-free operation, a 1.54-inch IPS screen, and supports up to 1 TB of storage for extended loop recording. Its 24/7 buffered parking mode records seconds before and after motion or impacts, while the supercapacitor design ensures reliable operation under extreme temperatures. The E1 Pro is easy to install with a magnetic adhesive mount and comes with accessories such as a CPL filter, GPS mount, and car charger, making it a discreet, high-performance solution for monitoring your vehicle day and night. Number 3. 70mm A810 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. The 70mm A810 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear is a dual-channel car camera featuring a 4K UHD front camera with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and HDR night vision, paired with a 1080p rear camera, providing clear daytime footage and decent low-light recording. It supports built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE for fast video transfer, location tracking, and app control, while advanced features like AI motion detection, ADAS, time-lapse, and 24/7 parking mode ensure comprehensive monitoring of your vehicle. The dash cam offers a wide-angle front lens, 150-degree, to capture more road detail, and its HDR processing improves visibility in high-contrast lighting. While the rear camera is less detailed than the front, the dual-channel setup is ideal for urban environments where front and rear coverage is important. With features like loop recording, smart parking detection, and robust connectivity, the 70mm A810 is well suited for busy city driving, providing high-quality footage and enhanced security for both day and night use. Number 4. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 degrees Wi-Fi dash cam is an advanced all-in-one vehicle surveillance system providing full coverage with front, rear, and interior cabin cameras, recording in 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1440p resolution. Equipped with Starvis 2 sensors and IR night vision, it delivers excellent low-light performance and enhanced license plate recognition, while HDR/WDR processing ensures clear footage in varying lighting conditions. The dashcam features built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, LTE support, voice control, and a 3.19-inch display for convenient operation and video management, with OTA firmware updates via the Vantrue app. Its 24/7 buffered parking mode records motion and collisions around the vehicle, and loop recording with a G-sensor automatically protects critical footage. Built with a durable supercapacitor, heat-resistant materials, and support for up to 1 TB of storage, the N5S is ideal for urban driving, long trips, and complete vehicle monitoring, offering protection for the vehicle, passengers, and cargo day and night. Number 5. ACE 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The Vantrue E360 ACE is a versatile, premium 3-channel dash camera system designed for full vehicle coverage, offering ultra-wide lenses, 210 degrees plus 210 degrees plus 165 degrees, paired with dual Sony Starvis 2, IMX675, sensors to capture the front, rear and cabin in 2.7K resolution, in some modes, or full 360 degrees panoramic footage. It features HDR for high-contrast lighting, infrared, IR, LEDs for night vision inside the vehicle, built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and voice control for easy operation, GPS logging of route and speed, and 24/7 buffered parking mode, hardwire required, for park surveillance. The unit uses a supercapacitor for better heat tolerance, supports up to 1 TB storage, and in the ACE bundle even offers a handheld/tripod mount mode so it can double as an action camera outside the vehicle. The design makes it especially suitable if you want more than a basic front-facing cam. You get cabin coverage, rear view, and flexible use, though some reviews note that the ultra-wide fisheye style may compromise license plate detail compared to dedicated front-only cams.